Hey guys! As you saw from today's title, in this video we'll be looking at a slim soundbar. Just sit back and enjoy this video. The LG GX Soundbar is a high-end soundbar that is designed to provide a truly immersive audio experience. It features a slim, minimalistic design that makes it a perfect match for LG's Gallery Series OLED TVs. Being very thin, measuring just 2.6 inches in depth, it makes it ideal for mounting on a wall, and it also helps to minimize the soundbar's footprint. The soundbar is made of high-quality materials, and it has a sleek, modern design. The soundbar is equipped with a 3.1-channel speaker system with a wireless subwoofer that delivers deep and powerful bass, and it supports Dolby Atmos and DTS X surround sound formats. But how does it perform in terms of sound quality, features, and value? Let's find out in this review. The LG GX Soundbar has a 3.1-channel configuration, which means that it has 3 front speakers, left, center, and right, and 1 subwoofer. The center speaker is dedicated to reproducing dialogue and vocals, while the left and right speakers handle the rest of the audio spectrum. The subwoofer adds low-frequency effects and enhances the overall impact of the sound. The sound quality of the LG GX Soundbar is impressive, especially for its size. It can produce clear, detailed, and balanced sound that can fill a large room. The dialogue is crisp and intelligible thanks to the center speaker and the dialogue enhancement feature that can be accessed via the companion app. The music is rich and dynamic, with a good separation of instruments and vocals. The movies are immersive and exciting, with a wide soundstage and realistic sound effects. The GX Soundbar also supports Dolby Atmos and DTS X, creating a 3-dimensional sound field that places sounds above, behind, and around you. However, since the GX Soundbar does not have any upward firing or rear speakers, it has to rely on virtualization technology to simulate these effects. This means that it uses psychoacoustic tricks to create the illusion of height and surround sound. The virtualization technology of the soundbar works well for some content, but not for others. For example, it can create a convincing sense of height for some overhead sounds, such as helicopters, raindrops, or fireworks. But it can also sound unnatural or distorted for other sounds, such as voices or music. Similarly, it can create a decent sense of surround sound for some ambient sounds, such as crowd noise, wind, or traffic. But it can also sound vague or diffuse for other sounds, such as gunshots, explosions, or footsteps. The bottom line is that the LG GX Soundbar can deliver excellent sound quality for its 3.1-channel configuration, but it cannot fully reproduce the true Dolby Atmos and DTS X experience. If you want to enjoy these formats to their fullest potential, you will need a soundbar with more speakers or a dedicated home theater system. If this video is helpful to you, a subscribe would mean a lot to me. That tells me that I am building an audience and that I am creating helpful content. The LG GX Soundbar has several features that make it easy to use and customize. It has an OLED display on the front that shows the current input, volume level, sound mode, and other settings. It also has a remote control that lets you adjust the volume, mute the sound, switch inputs, select sound modes, and access other functions. It has a built-in AI Sound Pro feature that automatically adjusts the sound settings to match the content that you are watching. The soundbar also supports Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, so you can stream music from your smartphone or tablet. You can also use Bluetooth to pair the soundbar with compatible LG TVs for a seamless connection. Here are some of the pros and cons of the LG GX Soundbar. Pros: slim and stylish design, supports Dolby Atmos and DTS X, high-resolution audio playback, wireless subwoofer, AI Sound Pro, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity. Cons: expensive, some minor sound quality issues at high volumes, no up-firing speakers for true Atmos immersion. The LG GX Soundbar is a premium soundbar that delivers impressive sound quality that is clear, detailed, and powerful. It has a sleek and slim design that can be wall-mounted or placed on a table. It comes with a wireless subwoofer that delivers deep and powerful bass. It also supports Dolby Atmos and DTS X. However, it cannot fully reproduce the true Dolby Atmos and DTS X experience since it does not have any upward firing or rear speakers. It also costs quite a lot for a 3.1-channel soundbar. Therefore, it may not be the best choice for everyone, but it may be a good option for some users who value its sound quality, design, features, and compatibility with LG's Gallery series of OLED TVs. For buying options and more information about this soundbar, check the links in video description. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now, check out my 2 next videos. See you soon.